Welcome back everybody to the Nonna Pina Cucina. And what we got here is another old recipe using this machine. What is this machine, Nonna Pina?
Pizzelle.
It's a what?
Pizzelle.
Pizzelle. Can you open up that machine for us, Nonna Pina? Wow, so what we got here is different shapes. So what are the ingredients we're going to use to pour the batter into these molds to make pizzelle? What are they? What do we got here, Nonna Pina?
Enough flour.
Okay, nice.
1 cup olio.
Olive oil, okay.
Yeah, 6 eggs.
Nice.
Sugar.
Okay, that's
1 cup.
okay.
A 4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Baking powder, nice. Okay, and this all comes from this old recipe here that you've had written on this piece of paper for how many years, Nonna Pina? How many years would you say?
Lots.
Lots? Would you say 30 years?
But 15 years.
At least you've had this written on this piece of paper. Okay, let's do it, Nonna Pina. What are you gonna do? So you. Okay, so Nonna Pina, you've been mixing this for about 5 minutes, and I thought Nonna Pina that it was gonna be like pancakes. It's not, eh?
Yeah.
No?
No.
No, it's more harder. It's kind of like a cookie dough again.
Yeah.
So then when the machine heats up, because we're heating up the machine right now, you can see the little lights on, we're gonna press these into the mold, right? Nonna Pina, you have a little ball here. Can you hold it straight for us? Let's see here, this little ball. The other way now, the other way. Agillo. Okay. So what are you gonna do with this ball?
Put it in the machine.
Put it in the machine. Well, just like that? Small like that?
Yeah.
Why so small? So you're putting it right in the middle. Oh, I've never seen this before, so okay. You're putting a ball, 2 balls, about that high, okay, into the machine. And you're squeezing it, and then you're gonna lock it down. Is there a lock on that?
Yeah.
There's a lock. And for how long is this gonna go with this pizzelle maker here, this Prego pizzelle baker? You can hear it sizzling. How long would you say?
Maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. I don't know.
How do you know? You just...
I will see. It's ready. Okay.
Okay, and no oil that you sprayed on the thing, nothing?
No, no.
You don't need it. Okay. This is interesting.